Here we go. Oh,
Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown. You have to read the script carefully. It's supernova and not Casanova.
Supernova, not Casanova. Got it. What's going on, beautiful people? Today we are reviewing a brand new Piggy called Supernova and not Casanova. This is Garrick Brown Art Studio and I'm back with another video. Happy holidays and let's get started. Let's take a look at our colors for today. This is a blue by Eye Candy. It is super rich. It's hard to get the true luster on camera, but it is gorgeous. And there is a new Piggy in town that we're going to debut here. This is Supernova by TLP, and the little magic in it is it's pink, but when you lay it down on dark colors, you're gonna see a blue shimmer as well. So excited about it. It mixes so well with my pouring medium and my gloss. This is Red Black by Atelier mixed with Lamp Black by Amsterdam. A little of this goes a long way. It thickens up a lot. So if you ever use it, be careful with this. Today we are using a white cell activator, freshly mixed. And I do this to avoid a ring. Sometimes you'll get a ring, especially when using house paint and it sits too long, because, you know, house paint really wasn't designed to be used in the way that we use it. So this helps to avoid that ring. Once your painting dries, sometimes you can see it. All right, so now we're gonna put our Supernova down first. And we're gonna be very generous with it. Next, this is our Eye Candy blue color. Next, we're going to put down some black. All right, we're gonna plop our cell activator down in the middle. Get that spread out some. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this gorgeousness. Our cells are popping. Oh man. I can't wait to see what happens when we spread this out some. We have cells everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna spin this bad boy. Ooh. All right. Wow. Y'all, I just love how the cells are so gorgeous here. And I like that they don't spread out over here, but I am gonna tilt just a little bit. Look at those edges. And y'all, do you see that sparkle on that blue when I turn it to the light? Oh man. you take nothing else from our videos, family, remember, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. I hope you enjoyed today's episode just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I will see you very soon, and I hope you have an amazing, productive day. Peace.